In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Ads payment, specifically addressing the question, how do I stop payments on Google Ads? If you're looking to pause or stop payments on your Google Ads account, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can confidently manage your account status with ease. First, let's navigate to the Google Ads platform. Open your web browser and enter ads.google.com in the address bar. You'll want to start by logging into your Google Ads account using your credentials. Now you should be at the overview page of your Google Ads dashboard. This section provides a summary of all your campaigns and is usually the default view when you log in. Next, move your cursor over to the left-hand side of the page where you'll see a menu. Hover your mouse over the section labeled Admin without clicking on it. A submenu should appear providing more options related to your account. This is where we'll find the settings we need to adjust. Once the submenu appears under Admin, you'll want to click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page with various tabs that control different aspects of your Google Ads account. Here we need to focus on cancelling any ongoing payments to halt any new charges. Within the account settings, find and click on Account Status. This is where you can view the current status of your Google Ads account and make changes as necessary. If your account is already cancelled, the page will display an option to reactivate my account. This indicates that no current payments are being processed as the account is inactive. However, if your account hasn't been cancelled yet, you'll see an option labelled Cancel My Account. This is the button you'll need to click on to stop any future payments from being made. By selecting this option, you're essentially halting any further activity on your Google Ads campaigns, preventing new charges from accumulating. After you click Cancel My Account, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Google may also ask for a reason for cancellation, which you can select from a list or provide in a text box. It's worth noting that this process won't delete your account permanently, but will stop transactions and effectively pause all campaign activities until you choose to reactivate it. If you're ever unsure or need further assistance, remember that Google Ads has support available to help guide you through these processes. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to halting payments on your Google Ads account. Managing your expenses and campaigns effectively is crucial for maintaining brand visibility without unwanted charges. If this video was helpful, be sure to check out other resources to maximize the use of your marketing budget on the Google Ads platform. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.